the bite, the button, yeah. The bum, bite, yeah. Set the potato, boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro. Back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melody began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel when you're getting it red, yeah. My heart's hey man, you want this? No, I never wanna go.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
What's up, party people? Welcome back to my journal. Today is retwisting day. My family is right over there and they're gonna make noise throughout the video, but don't mind them, it's okay. I have work today, so I'm gonna go as quickly as I possibly can. The goal is to finish within an hour. We shall see how that goes. But in between, I do want to explain what I'm doing, show you guys how I do my retwisting. I am no authority on how to retwist. I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing to get my locks to where they are right now. And of course, if you do have any tips or tricks of your own that you'd like to talk about, share with me and everybody else, please make sure to drop it in the comments below. All right, let's get started. First, my supplies. I need spray bottle, that's most important. And then need your oil. I mix my own oil and I'm gonna make sure to share the recipe this time. I got my retwisting clips. I don't even know what kind of clips, not crocodile, but are they crocodile? Crocodile clips? Maybe. This is a crocodile clip, a scrunchie, and a rat tail comb for making parts. My comb is dirty, don't mind that. Yeah, I was gonna do my retwist in my room, but my family wanted my company today, so I'm gonna do it out here, which means I need to bring my mirror. I'm gonna start off by just putting my hair up, and then I pull the locks down one section at a time. Just be mindful of how tight you make your ponytails because it thins it out over time. So my goal nowadays is to just not use hair ties at all. I use headbands for the most part, or I'll put like a head wrap on so my hair is out of my face. Y'all are about to see. I don't use all the techniques and stuff that everybody else does. I literally just twist it around my finger, clip it, and call it a day. Go down to the root when you do it this way. Are you talking to Mama Sugar?
So what you're really getting right now is the rushing mom version of a retwist. Like I mentioned before, I work Saturdays, so I have work in just a couple of hours. So I'm trying to power through this retwist in between momming. And that happens to be the circumstances under which I do most of my retwists. So what else is new? So I hold the lock at the root while I twist because it helps to prevent unnecessary tugging and it controls the tightening of the root to give the cleanest parts and the neatest results. Now, what I have absolutely loved about starting a YouTube channel has been connecting with the mamas and lockheads out there who can relate to my journey. So for all my lockheads, please let me know down in the comments below what are some of your retwisting rituals. And if you're not a lockhead, but you are a busy mama like myself, please drop in the comments below what your secrets are to getting in your you time, self-care time, and beauty time in between momming. Because as adorable and fun as my baby boy is, trying to get in my self-care with him around is not easy. Mamas, if you know, you know.
I go heavy on the oil because I don't use any kind of holding gel. It's primarily because I have eczema. It's so easy for my skin to break out no matter what I use, unless what I'm using is completely natural. Whoa. I'm on my last section. The front portion, like the crown of my head, is usually the part that takes the longest because there's a lot of hair in the crown area. It takes longer. Also, that's my troubled eczema area. I spend a lot of time trying to pick through the flakes and dead skin that there is to be lifted off of the scalp. I did my best to take the thinner locks like this and add to it from hair from surrounding locks. Only reason why I feel like my locks are thinning in the front is because I didn't realize how much damage pulling it into ponytails was really going to do. Now that I've stopped doing that, I'm hoping that my thinning locks will stop thinning. I was gonna say earlier too that some people really care about whether or not you're twisting your locks into the same direction every time. To be totally honest, I don't know why that's a big deal. If you do know why, please let me know in the comments. But in my opinion, I have not seen it make that big a difference. And your girl is done. I'm just gonna make sure these are all laying down flat so I can tie them down. And then I'm gonna take my shower and get ready for work, eat a little something something. And I'm gonna keep my hair tied up like this, probably until my lunch break at work. You know what time it is? 11:20. Are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
Oh wow. Saturday. Wow. 11:20. Okay. I do my black eyeliner under my eyes. When you put black eyeliner under your eyes, I keep it right here in the center instead of going all the way out to the ends, because your eyes over time, you know, they water and you get stuff here and you get stuff here. By the end of the night, nothing's smearing off or anything like messy. So just a tip. I always think about eyeshadow after my makeup's pretty much already done. Then I'm like, I don't want to do eyeshadow. I'll put a tiny bit, just a tiny bit, switch it up. Good afternoon, this is Chris. Okay, back to it. I'm gonna use this because it matches the pants that I'm wearing today. I'm putting it right in the crease. I'll probably do a little bit of a smoky eye with it. Use the black sparkles for smoky look, and then I'm gonna do some gold shimmer on top of the orange. Blend. Gotta have the blush. Boom, 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 boom. She done. I'm gonna do lipstick after I get off of work because I want to brush my teeth, do my hair, then I'll do my outfit, my lipstick, all of that good stuff. Just waiting to get off of work, you know. I don't wear makeup often at all, but when I do, ew. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out my things. Get this, I wore my retwisting clips all day. If they weren't retwisted before, they certainly are retwisted now. Look at this. I was busy trying to get ready for my date in between work. There was just no time. So that's fine. My retwist got held in extra long today. Now I can finally take it out and show you guys the result. Let's get started. I washed my hair over 3 days ago. Then I touched it up yesterday. I washed it one more time. With eczema, you can't wash your hair and leave it because it dries up, it flakes up, and then you're gonna have to rewash it again right away.
And just a little tip to all my fellow eczema survivors out there. Do not hesitate to experiment with natural 100% oils and extracts until you find the hair oil combo that best fits your unique skin and scalp condition.
Look at how long it's gotten. I don't want to put it up. The outfit I have tonight though, it's kind of like more of an updo outfit. I might have to make an outfit adjustment. I don't know. But I do want to wear the same pants that I chose. I might just have to pick a different top. I was gonna wear a top that's more of like a turtleneck sweater. I just don't think turtleneck sweaters go well with hair hanging down on top of it because then you literally have no neck. I'm a little bit picky with how I pick my outfits and do my hair, okay? I got it from my mama. I think I'm gonna make an outfit switch to this top. I think this is cute and it still matches, because I was going to wear these pants. Yes, sir. These are like vintage high-waisted pants. I really like these. They're from my mom.
You've been through lately. I know this ride can be shaky, and we'd be much safer on the ground. So so very sure that you felt it. It's so very hard to explain it. Up in the air, this love we found.
Plan. You need to look at it. Look at it.
Go ahead.
You think it's cute?
It's cute.
But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for
It's
you.
important. Okay. Lastly, I need some jewelry. Don't shake the camera around. Struggles. It's cute though.
Texans won. Look at that.
Texans.
They're gonna get eliminated in the first round, though. That's what they do.
They made it to the playoffs, which is the round before the Super Bowl. No? That's
Yeah,
right.
don't say nothing, please.
Whatever.
Let's see it.
I've never cut open the lobster before.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on another day in the life. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're subscribed so you can catch the next one. Until next time, guys, stay well. Peace.
What are you doing, Kai?